How to copy your all bookmarks from one computer to another computer. So guys, there is a way you can copy your all bookmarks and you can import or export to the new browser or computer. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open my Chrome browser. So here in my browser, and okay, so first method is, guys, you can synchronize your bookmark to your Google account. So just log in with your Google account if you already have account in your Chrome browser. So just open your browser and click on this icon. Okay, you can switch your account. Okay, just select the account which you want to use and just click on this icon to from browser toolbar and just open the synchronize. Just on the synchronize, you have to on the synchronize. Okay, after on it will be on. Now just click again and go to the click on synchronize, and here you can see the option called manage what you want to synchronize. So here you can see the by default you can synchronize everything, but if you want to make customize or you can want to synchronize only bookmarks, you can keep off on bookmarks and you can exclude something if you want. If you off this, then the themes will be not synchronized. Okay, so I suggest you synchronize everything, so it will be help you. Now what you need to do, just open your new browser in your computer and just log in with your this account and just on synchronize over there. Okay, if when you synchronize on, your all data and your bookmark will be import in the new computer or new browser automatically. So this is the first method. So second method is, guys, just open your Chrome browser. Again, you have to click on this three dot option, go to the bookmarks and go to the bookmark manager, and here you can see this is by default folder. You can expand if you have any other folders, like this folder I have created. So you have to select the first folder, main folder, just click on three dot option and you can export it. So it will be export to your device in HTML document. So just save it in location and you can copy this to the external device and you can take this to the new computer and you can import it. Okay, so how you can import, just come to the new computer device and go to the import bookmark and you have to select this bookmark data and just open. It will be import here, then your all data will be see like this. Okay, this is for bookmark, or this is the other bookmark option also folder. You can also export it and you have to import the same way with the on the new computer. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.